In this video, I will show you how to change camera view in Minecraft. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, this does work on PC version, so Bedrock and Java, as well as console and mobile, and I'll be showing you how to do this on all the different platforms. So to start with, we're going to look at PC. Now, if you're using Minecraft Java, what you can do is hold down and press F5 on your keyboard, and it's going to switch between different camera views. So of course you've got third person, then you've got this first person view, and also if you press F5 again, you've got another first person view but from the front. Another thing you can do is if you actually pause the game, and what you want to do is go ahead and click on settings, and then what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and scroll down on the menu until you get to video, which is underneath general. Give that a click, and in the video section you're going to see an option for camera's perspective, which at the moment is set to first person, but you can click on this and change it again to third person back or third person front. If you're on a console version of Minecraft, so say you're on PS5 or Xbox, then again if you come into your settings, and what you want to do is come to the left hand side, come to the control section and find controller. What you can then do is give that a click, and in here you want to look for the option for toggle perspective. So if you actually scroll through, and you can see toggle perspective is here. For myself, this is currently set to up, to press up to change my perspective, but of course you can come in here and see what the button would be for yourself. If you actually click onto the control as well, you can change this to any button you want. So for example, if you're on a PS5 or Xbox and you want to use a different command on your controller, you can just simply click and change it to whatever button you would like to add as a shortcut, whether you want to use A or X or whichever button you want to use. And again, you can do this on PC if you're using the keyboard and mouse, simply by clicking onto keyboard and mouse over in the control section on the left hand side, and again looking for the option to toggle perspective, which as you can see is here. As mentioned, is F5, but of course you can click into here. You can change that to whatever you want. For example, we could change this to F4. Just like so. And that is how you can change your camera view in Minecraft. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.